Hey guys, a quick little update. The pump is in. I already wasted a bit of sump water. Um, just so that you guys can see what it looks like if we start up this Oki. I'm gonna quickly start it and then gonna go show you by the fish tanks what it looks like. I will let it drain back to the sump, but only for a short while because at the moment the flow rate is too high for just the fish tanks to handle, and I still need to do some work there. So, just a quick look. Got the blower running. That's not completely sorted out yet. I'm still working on it. You can see it's wet because I let things overflow. Still need to install these two standpipes. And the water is running, boys. If you open it all the way, it's not as, and it's just a stream like that. Like this, it causes a little bit of turbulence. It drains out. At the moment the flow rate's too high for the drums, and it currently leaks out, overfilling that 110 ml pipe if the pump is running full bore only into the fish tanks. Remember, the flow still needs to be divided up between all of the different grow beds, so that will sort out our flow rates and have us exactly where we want it. But there we go, boys, the water is flowing. I on the manifold clamped up a bit of a nozzle so we can play around with the air if we wanted to, or even supplement in air if we wanted to. The air supply is now regulated with a ball valve for each fish tank with their own ball valve. I still need to clamp it up. This is the supply manifold now, and that's more or less the setup. I added in these ropes to pull tight the fish tanks. I think it looks pretty cool. But this one I'm still busy with. This we still need to sort out, the IBC. You can see here it's starting to overflow now, but the flow rate is definitely too high. It's gonna overflow any second now, so I'm gonna go back to the sump and just switch it off. But before we do that, I'm just gonna show you how the water runs into the sump. So we drain down underneath a pipe we have down the wall there, and we elbow in, and this is what it looks like dumping back into the sump. And then we are back at the pump. What we can do here is, from here we will tee off anything that we want to add onto the pressure side, including the filters, and we can just ball valve those off so that we can just bypass everything and just give us a bit of utility. There you go, boys. Very satisfied with the pump. Next in line is I'll have to build a bit of a pump house to hold the filters and the pump and all the electrical stuff.